And now the head. I based it with Wraithbone spray, the contrast series. Rakarth flesh, thin down, a light coat, maybe 2 coats, very thin. And you want to leave some Wraithbone primer showing through. Abaddon black, just to block out the metallic detail of the head part. Screamer pink, thin down, with a very small brush. I'm just filling up the scarf. And with Rakarth flesh again, I'm just cleaning up where I messed up the scar, just around the scar. With a mix of Rakarth flesh and Mournfang brown, very thin down, I'm putting some shadows at the base of the hair, cheek, the eye sockets, the ears, under the chin, very thin. You can build it up gradually. Then I'm cleaning up with Rakarth flesh, bringing it back up, cleaning up the shade, and just leaving the shaded parts I want. Reclin flesh shade, putting some more shade on the darker parts of the face. Flayed One flesh, starting to build some highlight on the forehead, cheekbones. Ear, jaw. Carolbird Crimson for the lips, thin down, very light. Rhinox hide for the upper lip and the side of the lips, just bringing out some shade at the inside of the mouth. Drakenhof Nightshade for the eye sockets. Really make it dark, like he hasn't slept in a few weeks or months. Seraphim Sepia for the hair. The hair was based using Sandry Dust. Ungor Flesh to highlight the hair. Building a light hair pattern, just little lines towards the back. Corax White for the eyes. Stormhost Silver, highlighting the metal parts that were based using Leadbelcher. a little shine on the service studs. And finally, with Racquet's Flesh, we blend back down to the, or back up to the original base color, smoothing everything out. Please comment down below, share, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye bye.